Hello, I'm Yok Bun. Welcome to my channel. Today I would like to share with you on how to solve magic square with Excel spreadsheet. Okay, so for this we try to solve the magic square 3 by 3. Okay, 3 by 3 magic square is a family of 2n plus 1 web family with n equal to 1. Okay, that means 2n plus 1 is considered an odd magic square. Okay, so for an odd magic square is like this. The symmetry is the middle row and the middle column. Okay, so this one, that means when during the solving, this one is fixed. Okay, so to start with, we key in 1 2, okay, 3 4 4 5. Okay, then we make it center, put the line. Okay, so that means this magic square is solved by using Excel only. That means key in 4 numbers only. Okay, so we have 1 2 3 until 9. Okay, so you see this one is the total is 45. So for magic square 3, that means 45 divided by 3. That means for each row you have 45 divided by 3 is 15, 15, 15, 15, 15. Then the diagonal also 15. Okay, so how to solve? So for this one, the middle row is fixed. So we fix the middle row. We move one side here. Okay, then we move one side here. Okay, one square. That means fixing the middle row. Okay, the rotation is clockwise. Okay, then we return back this one. Okay, now we fix the middle column. Fix this middle column. We move this one up. Okay, the rotation is anti-clockwise. I mean it must be one clockwise, one anti-clockwise. So then we return back here. Okay, so then this is solved already. So to check, we have 15, right? Then we copy down, we have 15. Okay, check, we have 15. Then copy down, copy the side 15. Then check this one, plus. Yeah, so we have 15 plus. Okay, see, I mean this is solved already. That means the answer is 15, 15 all the way. Okay. Okay. Now we go to the odd magic square whereby n equal to 2. So that means it's 5 by 5. Okay. So for 5 by 5 is the same also. The middle is the symmetry. So it didn't move during the solving. Okay. Okay, let's say we key in 1 2 5 6 7. Okay, and go here all the way down. Okay, so this one is 1 for 5 by 5 is 1 to 25. So the total is 3 to 5. So 3 to 5 divided by the magic square number is 5. So you get answer is 65. Okay. Okay, so to solve it, so we first step we fix this one. We move the top. Okay, then this the second top we have to move to square. Okay, similarly for this we move, and the bottom second column row we move to. Okay, so then this one we return back to the original square. Return back. Okay, similarly for this one. Okay, so this one is a row side. Then now we fix the middle column. So we move here up, different rotation. Okay, so here we also move down, and the second one we move by another square. Okay, so return back to the original square. Okay, so now we check the answer. Total sum 65. So we check this answer 65. Okay, then this one, the diagonal 65, then the another diagonal 65. Now see, solve. Okay, this is the first technique. So let's say the second one we can solve. Just now we move the row first, rotate the row first, then the column. Now we do the other way around. That means we rotate the column followed by the rows. Okay, to do that, okay, let's say we create the same thing. 1, 2, 6, 7. Okay, so 1 to 25. Okay, right. Okay, now we move the we fix the column first, then move this one by 2, and same for this one. Then we put back to the original square. Same for this one. Okay, now we move the row. Okay, put back to the original square. Okay, now we check the answer 65. Sum diagonal another diagonal. Okay, so now we already solved the magic square with two different solutions. You see, the one is here, the one is here, but we have the same answer 65. So this is, I mean, the variation is just that we change the rotation. Okay, then you can solve it by different rotation first. It's up to you. Then you can have more variation in the solution. Okay, so for n equal to 3, the techniques is the same. Okay, now we go to the 4 by 4. Okay, so 4 by 4 is a 4n family with n equal to 1. Okay, then we have this one, the symmetry is this red line. Then it's a imaginary symmetry. Okay, so to solve this, we also based on this symmetry. Okay, let's say we start here 1, 2, then it's 5, 6. Okay, center, then you copy to. Okay, so this one is 4 by 4, 1 to 16. So 16 is 136. For the magic square of 4, when you divided 136 by 4, you get answer 34. Okay, that means the total is 34. Okay, so how to solve then? Okay, so this one is symmetry. We move the same equidistant from and fix the same equidistant. Okay, so to move this one, we just and rotate 180. So it's like 2 come here, 6 come here, then we do this way. Okay, then we do for the row. Let's rotate by 180. Okay, then we already solved the magic square. To check, so check for this one. And this one. Okay, now we already solved for magic square 4 by 4. Okay, so now we go to 8 by 8. So 8 by 8 is a magic square member of 4n with n equal to 2. Okay, it's similar to what I say the 4 by 4. So, but that means you have to move 4 at a time. Okay, let's say we start with this 1, 8, 9, 10. So fix here, move here, 8, 64. Okay, so 8 by 8, 1 to 64. So the total sum is 2080. So when divided by the magic square 8, the answer is 260. Okay, so how to solve? Okay, so we solve for the, that means the middle is here, then we take we fix this both end, then we rotate 100 degree the middle side. So we move to the end here. It's now okay, that means we just okay, we complete the column. Now we want to do the row. Okay, we can do also by the middle, or we equal distance we can do by the both end. Okay, then we fix the center. Must be equal distance. I mean now we fix the center, so we move back the thing. So it's like playing game only. Okay, once we do two type of rotation, then it's complete already. So to check, all the way down, check here, then we copy. So this one plus, so diagonal one. Okay, then we check the last. 。 . 。 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 。 。 . 。 。 . 。 。 . 。 。 . 。 。 . 。 。 . 。 。 . 。 。 . 。 。 . 。 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 .
。
So now you see we have 260 for all. Okay, so that means for the 4n family, like the n equal to 3 is 12. So the 12 what's it, solving is the same like this also. Okay, that means you will get the solution very fast. So this is how we use Excel to solve any magic square. Okay, for the odd magic square and the 4n magic square. Okay, so that means for future solving magic square, I will show to you another type of family, that is 4n plus 2, whereby is the first family is 6, second is 10, like that. So that means it's not in the category. Okay, that will be share with you on the next future video upload. So if you like my channel, thank you.